Hey everyone, today we are diving into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship that's got everyone talking. Plus, there is some breaking news about big decisions Samsung is making for 2025. Let's get right into it. We finally got our first real hand-on video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This video is originally posted on Reddit and confirmed by top tech leakers on Twitter. Shows the phone in action. Let's break down what we can see. The S25 Ultra has a boxy shape with more comfortable, rounded edges compared to its predecessor. It's noticeably thinner and lighter while still packing the iconic S Pen. The screen is almost flat with a slight curve, featuring a punch hole camera at the center. No under-display camera this time. On the back, we got 4 sensors: a wide lens, dual telephoto lens, and ultra-wide angle lens. The phone runs on One UI 7 as seen in updated battery icon and interface. The silk design and lightweight make the S25 Ultra a strong contender among premium smartphones. Samsung has made a drastic move, fired several sensor executives. According to Korean media, this decision after comes poor performance in their semiconductor chipset division. Here's what this means. The Exynos chipset won't be powering the S25 Ultra. Instead, Samsung is going all in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip for all regions. Even Google has switched to TSMC for their Pixel 10 devices, leaving Samsung cheapest ambitious in doubt. While this might be disappointing for Samsung, it's great news for customers who can expect top-tier performance from Snapdragon's reliable processor. Here's where things get really interesting. Samsung is reportedly talks with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT's AI technology into their Galaxy AI features. This could mean smarter AI tools in One UI 7, enhanced productivity features powered by cutting-edge AI. Imagine having ChatGPT's capabilities seamlessly built into your phone. If this partnership happens, it will be game changer. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of 2025. From its silk design and powerful Snapdragon processor to the potential AI revolution, Samsung is pulling out all the stops. What do you think of the S25 Ultra and Samsung's big changes? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tech updates. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.